the Republic of India was a reliable partner and friend, whose assistance was critical to our pandemic response. Despite its own challenges and responsibilities, as just elucidated by our colleague Hugh, enabled by its advanced pharmaceutical capacity, India embraced a holistic and outward-looking vaccine diplomacy strategy. As a result, Jamaica was able to secure its first life-saving vaccines from India. While others chose to withhold supplies, India's vaccine outreach exemplified its principles of equality and mutual benefit. We are deeply grateful and remain so to the government and people of India, led by His Excellency Sri Narendra Modi and indeed our friend Dr. Jaishankar. Jamaica's vaccination program effectively got off the ground with the receipt from India of 50,000 doses of Covishield vaccines on March 10, 2021. Were it not for India's uncompromised willingness to respond to our urgent need, our progress in these initial phases would not have been possible. And when we spoke, Minister, I recall the sense of hope which existed and which I was able to convey to my cabinet. We will never forget.